to witness this in your lifetime, how women have taken off in our sport. Title IX was a big thing, but
Yeah,
running
I
has
benefited from Title IX.
Yeah,
Yes.
but running has been that sport that women gravitated to, and it's pretty cool.
It is. You just need a pair of sneakers, a good sports bra, and you're ready to go. Yeah, you know, my mom was somewhat of a pioneer runner as well, and the first time she ran in her cheerleading uniform, and so when she sees me with all my Nike gear, she's like, "Oh my gosh, things have come a long way." And so I feel really fortunate. You know, in a lot of sports, there's not like equal pay and there's not equal respect, but in running, it's equal. It is, and so I'm really blessed and fortunate that I get to line up and it's the same accolade, it's the same amount of respect when I'm out there. So it's just amazing to see this group of women and men in here today.
Your mom did set the American record in the marathon.
The world record.
The world record in the marathon, yeah. She said her mom was a good runner. She set the world record in the marathon.
I just chose my parents well, that's all I did.
Yeah, your dad was a good cross-country runner.
They're both runners. I come from a running family, so...
Yeah, I heard that story. You thought like everybody's parents ran 10 miles every morning.
I'm sure, you know, parents in here, they set an example for their kids, and if you go out and run, your kids are like, oh, that's normal, everyone goes and runs, you know, there's a stack of shoes by the door, and that's how I grew up. I just thought, oh, everyone goes and runs every day. The Church of Sunday Long Run.
Yeah, I love it. That is the coolest. I always say that, does your mom have a picture of her in her cheerleader outfit going out for that run?
I don't know. I'll try to dig one up.
Oh, that would be cool.
She was a babe back in her day, so I'm sure she has it.
Back in her day, I think she's...
Well, she's still a babe, too.
Yeah, there you go.